Ibrahim. Welcome to Uksha High School online class. Okay, dear students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine. I am also fine. Okay, dear students, I am going to teach you a very important lesson. So, dear students, open at page 14 of your EFT. Okay, dear students, here in your book there is a picture. Look at the picture for some time and think about the picture for some time. Okay, dear students, have you looked at the picture and thought about the picture for some time? Yes, you have. Okay, dear students, now can you guess what is he? You know, he is a rubbish cleaner. Okay, dear students, can you tell me what is he doing? Dear students, you know he is collecting rubbish from an area. Okay, dear students, can you guess what is the topic of our today's lesson? Yes, you know our today's lesson is thanks for your work. Okay, dear students, now read the text and try to find out the problematic part from your text. Okay, dear students, now read the text. Let's start reading the text. Okay, dear students, Bulbul collect rubbish from the Shankar area in Dhaka. Every morning he wakes up at 5 o'clock and walks along the street of Shankar to collect rubbish. People of Shankar put their rubbish in plastic bin and leave them in front of their houses. Bulbul walks from door to door to collect them. Sometimes the bins are very dirty and they smell bad. But Bulbul does not mind. He takes out everything from the bins and puts them in his van. He believes that all jobs are important. He works hard every day to keep this area clean. Okay, dear students, from the first paragraph of the text, we know Bulbul is a cleaner. He usually rises early in the morning and he starts his work to collect rubbish from the Shankar area. The rubbish is very dirty, but Bulbul does not mind. He takes out everything from the bins because it is his general duty to collect rubbish. So he works hard daily to keep this area clean. Okay, dear students, now we will read the next paragraph. Okay, dear students, last month Bulbul was sick for 2 days, so he could not come to collect the rubbish. The people of Shankar were in great trouble. They got piles of rubbish waiting in front of their houses. The whole area became dirty and unhygienic. When Bulbul got well, he came back to Shankar he collected everything from all the beans. Bulbul does not want to fall sick again. He realizes if he stops working even for a few days only, the whole area will turn into a big dustbin. Okay, dear students, we know from the second paragraph, Bulbul was sick for 2 days. So he could not come to his duty. So the people were in great trouble due to rubbish. Dear students, you know when Bulbul got well, he returned his duty and he started collecting rubbish from the Shankar area because he knows well that if he stops his work, the whole area will be unhealthy and dirty. Okay, dear students, have you read the text? Yes, you have read the text. Dear students, you know there are some difficult words in the text. What are the words? Dear students, already I have uttered one, that is collect. Can you guess the meaning of the word collect? Yes, you know collect means gather. Can you make a sentence? Yes. Your sentence may be, my father collect rubbish from Dhaka city. Okay, dear students, the next word is rubbish. Can you guess the meaning? Yes. Rubbish means trash. Okay, dear students, can you make a sentence? Yes. Your sentence may be, I collect rubbish in our house. Okay, dear students, the next word is important. Can you guess the meaning of important? Yes. You know, important means vital. Can you make a sentence with the word important? Yes. Your sentence may be, trees play an important role in our environment. Okay, dear students, you can make another sentence with the word importance. Okay, dear students, the next word is travel. Can you guess the meaning of the word travel? It is a new word for you. So, I tell a sentence, then you have to guess the meaning of the word travel. My sentence is, I am in travel for 3 days. Okay, dear students, can you guess the meaning of the word travel? Yes, travel means problem. Okay, dear students, the next and the final word is sick. Can you guess the meaning of the word sick? Yes, you know, sick means ill. Okay, dear students, can you make a sentence with the word sick? Yes, your sentence may be: my grandfather was sick for 2 days. Okay, dear students, write the words in your exercise book very carefully and attentively, because after vacation you have to go to school. Then you will give to your exercise book in your for your English teacher, and he will check the words. Okay, dear students, now we are at the end of the class. Now I am going to give you a homework. Okay, dear students, I think you have seen many persons around you who help you live well. Okay, dear students, now I am writing the homework. Please look at the blackboard. Okay, dear students, this is your homework. Write it in your exercise book and collect the exercise book. Okay, dear students, I expect from you long life. So I think you will stay home, stay safe. Okay, dear students.